Chiliz value equivalent to $0.1062 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.1048 0.1077, which really is genuinely huge. The earlier day close, 0.1059 in an unobtrusive way. The change for the most part was plus 0.0003, plus 0.28% amazingly. Reverse rate, USD to CHC, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Chiliz value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future and month, Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $0.10, essentially most extreme 0.11, really least 0.09, which certainly is very huge. Chiliz figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.10, really greatest 0.11, truly least 0.09 in an unpretentious way. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.10, genuinely most extreme 0.11, essentially least 0.09, showing how the earlier day close, 0.1059 in an unobtrusive way. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost $0.10, lovely greatest 0.11, extremely least 0.09, which most certainly is very huge. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, May 19, cost $0.10, genuinely most extreme 0.11, lovely least 0.09, which essentially is very huge. In multi-week Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 22, cost $0.09, really greatest 0.10, kind of least 0.08. Exceptionally further appearance how the change in every practical sense was plus 0.0003, plus 0.28% in an especially significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $0.09, for the most part greatest 0.10, least 0.08 amazingly. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, May 24, cost $0.09, beautiful most extreme 0.10, especially least 0.08 in a truly significant way. Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $0.09, essentially greatest 0.10, genuinely least 0.08 in a fundamentally significant way. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, May 26, cost $0.09, really most extreme 0.10, genuinely least 0.08. Or so they by and large thought. In about 14 days Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost $0.09, truly greatest 0.10, in every practical sense, least 0.08 in a truly significant way. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, May 30, cost $0.09, for the most part greatest 0.10, lovely least 0.08, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, May 31, cost $0.09, greatest 0.10, really least 0.08, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Chiliz gauge on Thursday, June 1, cost $0.09, truly most extreme 0.10, especially least 0.08 in a really significant way. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, June 2, cost $0.09, sort of greatest 0.10, essentially least 0.08 in a significant way. In 3 weeks Chiliz conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $0.09, certainly most extreme 0.10, by and large least 0.08, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $0.09, certainly most extreme 0.10, genuinely least 0.08 in an exceptionally significant way. Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost $0.09, most extreme 0.10, in every practical sense, least 0.08, which all things considered, is very huge. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost $0.09, most certainly greatest 0.10, truly least 0.08, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Chiliz conjecture on Friday, June 9, cost $0.09, most certainly greatest 0.10, by and large least 0.08, which sort of is very huge. In about a month Chiliz cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $0.09, kind of greatest 0.10, by and large least 0.08, showing that the change was plus 0.0003, plus 0.28%, which explicitly is very critical. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, June 13, cost $0.09, especially greatest 0.10, least 0.08 in a very enormous way. USD to CHC conversion scale really equivalent to 9.4162 coins per $1, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Today, S reach 9.2844 minus 9.5420 in an unpretentious way. The past day, S nearby 9.4424. Change for now 0.0262, 0.28%. Pretty further appearance how Chiliz conjecture on Wednesday, May 24. Cost $0.09. Beautiful most extreme 0.10, really least 0.08, which essentially is very huge. USD to CHC cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a very enormous manner. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Monday, May 15, cost 10.000 coins. Kind of most extreme 11.111, least 9.091. So Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $0.09. Genuinely greatest 0.10, kind of least 0.08 in a sort of significant manner. USD to CHC expectation on Tuesday, May 16, cost 10.000 coins. In every practical sense, greatest 11.111. Fundamentally least 9.091, exhibiting how change for now 0.0262, 0.28%. Sort of additional appearance how Chiliz figure on Wednesday, May 24. Cost $0.09. Exceptionally most extreme 0.10, least 0.08, or so they basically thought. Dollar to Chiliz figure on Wednesday, May 17, cost 10.000 coins. In every way that really matters, greatest 11.111, by and large least 9.091, which most certainly is very critical. USD to CHC expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost 10.000 coins. Genuinely greatest 11.111, sort of least 9.091, or so they for the most part thought. Dollar to Chiliz estimate on Friday, May 19, cost 10.000 coins. Fundamentally greatest 11.111, kind of least 9.091, which especially shows that today, S reach 9.2844 minus 9.5420, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In multi-week USD to CHC forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 11.111 coins. Most certainly greatest 12.500. Genuinely least 10.000. Showing how the change explicitly was plus 0.0003, plus 0.28%, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost 11.111 coins. Most extreme 12.500, least 10.000. USD to CHC expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost 11.111 coins. Sort of most extreme 12.500, really least 10.000 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Chiliz gauge on Thursday, May 25, cost 11.111 coins. Kind of most extreme 12.500, beautiful least 10.000 in a sort of enormous manner. USD to CHC expectation on Friday, May 26, cost